what if the world is not just a collection of random places, but an interconnected network, an ancient energy grid pulsing with power beneath the surface? For centuries, mystics, scientists, and explorers alike have whispered about a mysterious force that connects the most sacred sites on Earth. From the Great Pyramids of Egypt to Stonehenge, from Machu Picchu to the temples of Angkor Wat, these monuments are positioned with such unbelievable precision that we must ask, is there a deeper meaning behind their alignment? This network, known as the Earth's energy grid, raises a profound question. Who designed it, and why? Some believe it holds the key to unlocking human consciousness, while others claim it is a remnant of a lost civilization, one that possessed knowledge beyond our understanding. Could this ancient wisdom, hidden in plain sight, be the missing link between ancient mysteries and modern science? Today, we embark on a journey into the unknown, where sacred geometry meets forgotten wisdom, and where the boundary between the material and the spiritual world begins to blur. Ancient cultures possessed an astounding understanding of energy, frequency, and celestial alignment. The builders of the Great Pyramid of Giza embedded complex mathematical principles into its structure, principles that eerily reflect the dimensions of our planet. The architects of Angkor Wat aligned their temples precisely with the stars. But here's the real mystery. How? How could civilizations, separated by vast oceans and thousands of years, construct their most sacred sites along the same invisible lines of energy? Was this merely coincidence, or evidence of a hidden knowledge that transcended time and space? Could it be that our ancestors were not just builders, but initiates in a sacred science, one that connected them to the very energy flowing through the Earth itself? Many dismiss the idea of an energy grid as mere folklore, but science is beginning to suggest otherwise. The Earth's geomagnetic field affects everything, from animal migration to human consciousness. Quantum physics has uncovered a shocking truth. Energy and information can be connected across vast distances. Could it be that ancient civilizations, long before modern science, had already tapped into this invisible force? Some researchers propose that sacred sites were not built randomly. Instead, they were constructed atop geological hotspots where telluric currents, natural electrical currents within the Earth, are at their strongest. This leads us to a mind-bending question. Is the Earth itself alive? And if it is, could its energy grid be something we are only now beginning to rediscover? If we trace the locations of the world's most mysterious monuments, the Great Pyramids, Stonehenge, Easter Island, the Nazca Lines, an astonishing pattern begins to emerge. These sites are aligned with mathematical precision, following a hidden geometry, a cosmic blueprint encoded into reality itself. This is sacred geometry, the language of the universe. The golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence, the flower of life. These patterns are found everywhere, in nature, in architecture, even in the human body. Did the ancients encode forgotten knowledge into these sacred structures? Knowledge about harmony, energy, and the very foundations of existence itself? If so, what does this reveal about our place in the universe? Here's where things get truly mind-expanding. Many believe that the Earth's energy grid isn't just a planetary phenomenon, it is connected to human consciousness itself. For thousands of years, visionaries, shamans, and mystics have journeyed to sacred sites, claiming to experience visions, altered states of awareness, even physical healing. But why? Could these places be amplifiers, resonating with the human spirit, unlocking higher states of consciousness? And if this energy grid is being disrupted by modern technology, Are we severing our connection to something far greater than ourselves? If this energy grid is real, then the question is, how can we tap into it? Ancient traditions suggest that through meditation, movement, and alignment with natural frequencies, we can tune into this invisible force. But here's the most profound revelation. The energy grid doesn't just exist outside of us, it exists within us. The same sacred geometry found in the layout of the Earth's grid is mirrored in the human body, the brain, and even our DNA. What if the true purpose of the grid was not only to connect sacred places on Earth, but to awaken the latent power within every human being? If this is true, then perhaps the greatest mystery is not just out there, but within us, waiting to be remembered. Here are the final thoughts. The Earth's energy grid is more than a theory, more than an ancient myth. It is a bridge between science and spirituality, between the physical and the metaphysical, between what we know and what we have yet to discover. Whether we choose to explore it or not, it remains a part of our world, and perhaps a part of ourselves. Let's us keep discovering hidden secrets and myths. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.